All right, guys, 828 Fine Adventure. I got something here for the 25 Tacoma. I got a console safe. Now, there's a few of these out there. I especially like this one when I found it because it is a combination and a key. And has all the hardware here and little install tools. Kind of a handy little screwdriver it gave me, so that's nice. And we're going to get this thing installed. This is the combo key I'm talking about. You see that? A lot of them out there are just combo. Now, that causes the problem if for some reason it goes on the fritz or you forget your combo. So I like the key combo. I had something like this in the Tundra. They're very, very handy. You know, the console is very small in the Tacoma and in the 25 4Runner. You can probably get a small weapon of sorts in there. Probably won't be easy to access. I mean, it's just a safe place to put it. Uh, and thieves, if it takes them too long, they're not going to mess with it. So, this would slow them down definitely. I'm sure they tear it up. They're just like they do. Thieves are going to thieve. So, but, you need a place to put your wallet and stuff. Maybe you're going down to the beach or going for a swim, that's what it's good for. So, anyhow, let's get this thing installed. So one of the first things you do is you want to empty out everything that's in your console box, including take this felt out. Okay? Looks like we got 4 10mm bolts. So let me get those. Got to spray some mosquito fogger. And of course, I'll put links under the video in the description to all this stuff. Always spray that mosquito fogger when I come outside. All right, let's get the directions going here. Got my little Harbor Freight magnetic bowl. Okay. And let's see what else we got here. Get my instructions out. Let me see if it's... No, that's got some pictures. Okay. So let's see here. Let's get this thing out. This is what it is right here. Put that right there. It's got a little screwdriver. Has 2 metal pieces. Then it has this top piece. So let me see here. How does this go? Oh, I see. So go like that. Okay. And then I guess this go down on top. There was no directions with this, so let me see here. Okay, I think that's the way it goes, just like that. Then it's going to go in like that. Okay. I see what we got going on here, so let's do this. Okay. First thing you have to do is bolt these slides in. It gives you some screws. They go into the side. They're really short screws, but they will go in. And that's the first thing I'm going to do. I do not need the 10 millimeter to return to remove any bolts. Okay. But I do need to put these screws in. So let's see if I can do it with just the short little screwdriver. So this right here is these right here. It has screws. They go into the side of your console. The top, the locking part of the safe will bolt to this with bolts, and it gives you special little tools so you can get in there and do this. And this thing's really thick powder coated, so that's really nice. So now what we have to do is bolt down this top. Now I have big hands, so I don't know how this is going to go, but put this like that. All right, comes with one little extra bolt. We don't need those tools. One thing I need to do right now is I need to reinstall this felt. There we go. Now, the directions on how to set the combo. Now, I'm going to let you do that. It says I have to have the key, so I'll take the key off my keychain. Should always keep this key in a safe place, hidden in the car somewhere, at home, just in case you lock something in here, forget the combo, or something screws up, or whatever. It can happen. Okay. So step one, you set the factory code. You set it to the factory code, and all right, got everything set on my combo to what I want it. That was easy. So step one is set it to the factory preset. Step two is there's a little inverted triangle, and you need to move that. And then you set your combo that you'd like. And then it says the code dialing lever. We're going to put it back. Okay. Insert the key into the keyhole. Okay. Fits good. Turn the dial numbers one by one. It will stop at the correct numbers. I'm not sure what that means. Turn the dial numbers one by one. It will stop at the correct number. After all the passwords are recovered, turn the key counterclockwise. Oh, I see what I'm saying. Okay. There we go. It works. And it locks. That's awesome. Whew. Getting hot out here. All right, I'm going to put that key back on the keychain. All right. There we go. I'm going to put stuff back in here that I had in there. Now, when you have this and it is locked down, you can't use one of these little caddies. Get all the tools out of here. Okay, so there you have it. You can put stuff in it. I mean, you look at that. I mean, it's got a lot. It's pretty deep. So, you're looking about 6 by 6 by 6. All right, guys, I hope you like that install of the console safe for the 25 Toyota Tacoma. Went in pretty easy. Does not come with directions for a purpose, I guess, just so people don't learn how to steal them. You're not that you're going to get it out. But quality's good. It's steel. It's powder coated really nice. It's easy to set the combo. It's a combo and key, so you always have a little safety in case you forget the combo or break it or something. You can always open it with the key, or just use the key, whatever's good for you. But it's easy to set the combo. Just follow the directions. So that's all I got for you on the 25 Tacoma today. If you would, like, share, and subscribe if you like the 25 Tacoma and the 25 4Runner, so you can see more videos. And leave a comment. I'd really appreciate it. I'll also put links under the video in the description for this thing, for the safe, and other things, and maybe the mosquito, this stuff here. I use this every year this time of year. Whenever I'm outside working on vehicles, I spray it around, and it keeps the mosquitoes from biting me, because, man, they're just getting worse. The warmer it gets, and the more rain we get, the worse those mosquitoes get. So it's this EcoSmart mosquito flogger. I'll put a link under the video if you want to check it out. And I usually buy 2 cans at a time. It's cheaper because it's not cheap stuff, but it really works great. So anyways, that's all I got for you. I will see you next time. See ya.